Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, we refer to our analysis in my last video. Okay, if you refer to my last analysis when the price exactly was here, we mentioned we will putting this one relative to this for next move. Okay, and we have the different option to look for buy. One of them, we put this trend line here. We mentioned any breakout. If we get the correction, we can look for buy. This is the first option. That means the traders, if they get they follow the first option, they should win the trade. The second option we mentioned with the breakout of the top, which is this one, this 58365. We mentioned any breakout of this with the flag, we can look for buy. This is the second option. And the third option, since last few days we put the entry above the top again, which is 58365. Now, anyone is in the trade from any of these three options, whether from here at the top or this small flag, the breakout of the top, a small correction, no, they should start to manage a trade. In case this one give us a deeper correction or uh, it give us a reversal to for price to retest the top. Okay, but from what we can see right now, we have a continuation. But anyway, they should, anyone is in the trade, they should start to manage. At least move their stop loss to break even. And now I want to see what's the next and how we can pull a trade. We can look for next trade. As we can see, based on daily chart, the price break the previous stop. And what we expect for the continuation and next level, what we are looking for is 73. Okay, and what one things we need to highlight here, price broke the previous stop, but we have a divergence. Okay, right now we cannot rely on the divergence, because if there is a continuation, maybe in the next or within 1 or 2 days, we won't have this one. But we need to know any trade we should start to manage in case it move for the correction, turn to a correction based on lower time frame. And if we move to forward chart, exactly this is what we have been looking for. We have been looking for this correction for continuation, and this is what we get, and this is the breakout of the previous stop. And even based on forward chart, if we put this one in relative to this, we have a divergence here, and MACD doesn't show anything. Okay, we move to forward chart. All right, based on forward chart, we move to 1 hour chart. Based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. And from now, if we want to look for next trade, we should get the correction. Okay, one of the things is maybe we get the small correction similar to what we have here. This means if we get any small correction, we can look for trade similar to what I show here. Okay, this means any sharp move with a small flag of correction, we can look for next trade. But if we get this type of the trade, we consider as a short-term trade similar to what we have here. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage, unless we get bigger correction and more complex. Or okay, because mostly if we get a more complex correction, the next move can give us a better trade. Okay, by the way, right now we don't have any trade stop. We just follow the chart, and anyone is in the trade again, they should start to manage. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or even any new trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.